Hi, Brother Danny. Good afternoon in the Philippines. Ayan, thank you for visiting me. Thank you so much, Brother Danny. And then the support also all the way. Thank you so much. Yan. Thank you, thank you. How are you? A little bit headache. Maybe because of not sleep well. Because I sleep late at midnight. Thank you, Danny. How are you? How's your day? How's your day? How's your work? How's your WH? Is it grow up? Because I play some of your videos. Yeah, thank you, Danny, brother Danny, for helping me too. Yeah, you have a new upload of your what you call that one videos so that I can pin and somebody can I am doing well. Wow, very good. Yeah, this is our life in YouTube every every night. Thank you, Danny, for coming. Thank you for the support. Say my love and out. Hi, Nolan. Good afternoon. What's time there in your country? Here in the Philippines is afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon today. Happy holiday. Thank you, Nolan. Yeah, good afternoon. 6:20 p.m. I see. You are advanced than Philippines time. Yeah, make friend to Denny. Denny is from Indonesia. He's my friend in YouTube. Very supportive brother too. Yeah, he's from Indonesia and very supportive to host. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful today. Thank you, Denny. Thank you so much. I hope so. It's still beautiful until the end. Did you sleep well, Denny? All right. Mega mega love shout out. Mega mega love shout out, Nolan Ranger. You're back. I'm so happy. Welcome. Welcome everybody. And then, Denny, what time now on your country? Here is 1 o'clock. Where's the 1:20 p.m. in the afternoon here. Thank you, brother. Thank you for watching me. Support my WS Watch Hour in the YouTube. Thank you so much, Dolan. Nolan Ranger, 6:20 p.m. All right. Regards from my sister, younger sister. Yeah, I'm her ate. I'm her older sister. Thank you so much, Nolan, for support. For every time you visit my live stream, you can support also my watch hour. Yeah, that's why I'm making welcome. Thank you so much. All right, I'm just starting as a moment. I'm just hoping that my signal is good. Yeah, because sometimes my signal is very bad, not cooperative to host. All right. Thank you so much. Connect everybody. You have new upload videos in your channel, Nolan or Danny, so that I can pin and then everybody they will come in so they will connect also to your channel. Support everybody. Uh, we need each other to support everyone. We need each other to support our YouTube live. Yeah, YouTube organization. What's that? I don't know what that called. All right. So do you wanna? So I'm just searching for nice music. Thank you so much, Nolan. I'm happy you're back. And Denny from Indonesia and Nolan from New Zealand. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much. My brothers, very supportive. Thank you so much, brother. I'm very happy you are visiting now today. Nasa PR Brock. I'm just searching for a nice background song that is not making boring when I wear. Wow, thank you so much. I'm happy. I'm not expecting like this that you are visiting again. Yeah. How's my signal, Nolan? Is it okay? My signal is okay now? I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you are there, my brother, Nolan and Denny. Pentanix, Amazing Grace is a good song. Pentatonics. Okay, I'm gonna search it. Pentatonics, Amazing Grace is a good song. Present. That's good so far. Thank you, Nolan. Hi, Mega Love shout out. We have a new visitor, Danny77 from Indonesia. Sister and brothers, and Nolan Ranger, he's coming back. He's back. He's back to us, everybody. Hi, Rosemary from Nolan Ranger, New Zealand. Thank you. They said thank you to Hi, Rosemary. Ayan, Senador. Hello, Danny77 in Indonesia. He's also supporting me last night when I'm having an LS. Danny, yeah. The brother of Danny from Indonesia. Very supportive. Thanks so much, brother. Tamsak ulit. Thank you, Senador. Thank you very much. Wow, that's great. Yes. I have a lot of visitors last night. The friends of Danny. Visit her friends to my live stream last night. Then 10 to 12? 12, I think. Yes, I have more cucumbers. I love that. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much. What was the song that Nolan want to Pentatonics? Okay, here Nolan. I'm just searching for that song, Pentatonics. Music. All right. Where's it? Where's the pentatonic song? This one? There's still ads. There's an ads for this song. Oh, what is this? Star marker. La 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 la. La 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 la.
She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up till I
Close my eyes. Is this Nolan? Yeah, Senador, add mo on niya sa entry. Maghanda ka ng kape. Ay, sali ako dyan. Sama niyo naman ako. Please support my premiere, guys. O, asan ang link? Oh, yeah, you have a premiere. That's not it. This is not. Okay, I'm gonna pen. Pentatonics music. Music evolution. This is it. Pentatonic music. Okay, this is it. your request. Ayun. Alright. This is my friend, 3 p.m. Oh my God. Okay, connect to the, please watch the premiere of Rosemary that I hung up. I'm gonna pin on my monitor. I think you can see it. Sorry guys. Alright, 3 p.m. We're gonna support our sister Rosemary for her premiere. So excited this song. Open na. That's good, sister. Sabihin mo kay ano sa ay saan na ba yung ano ko? Ikaw na lang magpasa sa GCash ko kay Daniel, Sister Rose. Ayan, don't forget to click the like for for helping the host for tonight, for today. Thank you, everybody. I say connect everyone. Those who not connected each other. Yeah. Yeah, connect to Denny Agoy. Hala, are you sure, Kapitan? Yay! Sure na sure yan, si Kapitan pa. Oo, full name and number ng Gcash, ipasend ko lang sa classmate ko. All right. Congratulations, the sponsor. Yes, sponsor Rosemary. Yahoo! Okay. Magdodonate din ba ako? Donation talaga? Charity? Alang-alang kay Senador. Papalipad na lang ako, Senador. One way of my thanking you or full support to the three sisters. Yay! Abay, maraming salamat, Kapitana. Ayan, yung akin din. Ano kay Daniel. Para ma-support natin sa others. I love supporting also others. Yeah, I love sharing our blessings, even not big. That will be from sister, not just me. Wow! Wow, amazing. Hi. Oh, connect everybody. Connect to my brothers, Nolan and Danny, everyone. Yes, small thing, big thing. Yes. Ito po, ayan na. Wait lang, wala akong ballpen. Screenshot na lang. Kulbaan po tani mo, Senador. Oy, magpanik po tani wa sa oras. Okay, I'm gonna take picture. All right, I have already. 0917-951-58 Felix C. Medrano. All right, thank you, Senador. I got already. See the full screen. Ayan, help me with speaking English here. Our subject for today is English. We have a visitor here. All right, thank you, visitor, for coming back. Thanks. Ayan, screenshot ko na. Yeah, me too. Screenshot ko, tsaka ano ko na rin to. All right. I have many screenshot, many copies. Yeah, thank you everybody for coming to my live stream. It's overwhelming. Yeah, it's overwhelming, guys, for watching. My brother Danny from Indonesia. I'm so happy you are there. Your support for today. Are you working now, Danny? Alas TV, welcome Rosemary from Nolan Ranger ng New Zealand. Thumbs up host, dating dikit. Anong main mo? Anong main mo langga? Hallelujah. This is requested from Nolan Ranger of New Zealand. Pentatonic music. Pentatonics. Michael Larnstora. Some things are meant to be. Alas TV, hello. Support is really great help, Nolan. Yes, thank you, brother Nolan. Sino ba to si Alas TV? Don't forget to click the like for the host that you can help to me. Falling in love with Alas TV. Sino po siya? Who is he? My family. My family. Alright. Alas TV. Okay, I want to connect to this is my ninja and then my main also. Matulog na ko host, kaswaman, tambahin kita tatlo kong. Thank you, Senador! Wait for my sponsor. Sponsor! Wait for my later. Falling in love with you. Wow, so nice song. Very nice. Yeah, this is my main. I'm gonna connect to you Alas TV. Is this your main? Or I think it's not. So I will give you Tibak. You have Tibak already. Alas TV. Hi for the person. Please help me New Zealand. From New Zealand, Nolan's Ranger is here. And Denny 77 ng Indonesia. Yeah. This song is requested by Nolan Ranger. Pentatonics music. I hope my signal is good. Present. Thank you, Angel. I'm done. Alas TV. I connected already. Wow. What the sigan on the house? Ay. Wait. I'm gonna connect my... Connect me back to Alas TV. Other present, yay! Mega love shout out to Ranjis Philippines Retirement. Thank you for coming always. Present TM for the person. What is TM? TM Globe? Yeah, Alas TV. I connect already from my main. This is my main. And then I leave comments. So guys, I hope for Lisod Vanessa na po gusto magbarwa. I'm so happy, lakas ng lobo, sister. I love it. All right. At last. Ta-da-da-da, hey. At last. At last, and then my main. Ninja mo to eh. Okay. Connect already. Connected already. Nice song, Nolan. Okay, thank you, Nolan. Yeah, from Rosemary. Kaon sa diha, oy. Yes. All right. Call center for today. Angel. Dan at last, sa sarap mo ng galing. Please sukli, Mitsu. Please sukli to my main also at last. I connect already to my main. Denny, are you still there, brother? Brother Denny? Over. All right.
Enjoy up to 90% off on Shopee. Sulitin ng big discount.
Ayan, Sister Rose Denny is there. Yeah, brother Denny, he's very also supportive. Ayan, dyan lang po kayo. Magtusok din dikit sa premiere ko sa 3 p.m. Don't forget, support my sisters, Rosemary, 3 o'clock this afternoon, her premiere. Hello, Danny, I will go to your house. Please open the door. Ayan, from Rosemary, brother Danny. She will go to your house now. She is also supportive very much. at work. Okay, no problem. No problem, Denny ng Indonesia. Thank you. I understand. Thank you. Even you have a work, you're still supporting me. Thank you, everybody, for coming. All right. Connect everybody. Connect everybody so that we can support each other. Alright. Host pa watch ko. Alright. Anong iwa-watch ko? Are you taking a back? Taking a back? TikTok. Eddie. I'm watching your video. Corvette 2023. Corvette. But there's an ads. Are you monetized already, Brother Eddie? Brother Eddie. Are you monetized already or not yet or what? Thank you, host. You're welcome. Oh, connect everybody. Meron ako 4 leads banana. Please, sino magpaayuda dyan? Wah! I really love you, sister. Lakas ng loob. Alright. Miss Rosemary Bikini Man. Oh, Bikini Man. Eddie Jess USA. My channel ay yung nakapin, guys. Please just go there and dikit at thumbs up. Alright. And then he will give you banana. Sister Joyren. Mega lang shoutout. Mas mataas pa bahay mo sa akin, Denny. Akin, Denny. Give Give banana to Rose. Please support Rosemary for her banana to grow up. Ay, Erigis pala. Alright. Okay, thank you, Danny, from Indonesia for BG there. Alright. Kasi nakalimutan na akong gagawin ko. Ayan, thank you, Danny. Thank you, Nolan and everybody. Okay, connect everybody. Connect. Connect everybody and do connect back to. Ayan, Nolan, very nice song. Relaxing. Yan, I connected already, ADGS USA. Alright. Do connect also to me so that we will help each other. Ang dami naka-live. Hi, Sister Joy. Naka-live din ka pala ikaw, oh. Welcome to my live stream. Monday Good Vibes. Promote your channel. From Sister Joy Rin. Silence. Ano yan? Yung kay Max pala. I-pick upin niya lang daw. I-ready mo lang. Yung 200 pesos. Thank you, ate. Pwede niya kainin? And the prayer, I sang it in my life. This one? Yeah, and also the prayer and imagine. Yeah, I love the prayer. There's a prayer there. There's a prayer. Yeah, very nice, relaxing song. Yeah, this song, Pentatonics Music, requested by Nolan Ranger of New Zealand. Thank you. Yeah, very nice. Okay, connect to Nolan Ranger of New Zealand, guys, and then he will. Danny from Indonesia. Yeah, please do connect to Danny also, and he will do connect back too. He's very supportive, guys. Promise. Wow! Uncle David ng Australia! Hello, parang gumanda ngayon. I hope so. Dire-diretso na siya. Dali. Dito si Lolo. Say hello! Hi! Lolo the bed. Okay, bye. Ay, dito sa DJ. Ayan, nandito yung apo mo. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Para papampam. Hello, parang gumanda ngayon. Marami akong bisita. I have a lot of visitor. From New Zealand, USA, Indonesia, Australia. Wow! Perfect. I'm not good singer, but I love singing. Of course you are. You are a good singer. You have a nice voice, Sister Rose. Accept it. Hi, Amy from Lolo of Australia. Yeah, nandun. They are harvesting banana in the farm downstairs. Rapapampam, rapapampam, rapapampam. Then he smiled. All right, thank you, brother. I'm just a good listener, Rosemary. Yeah, Rosemary. Rosemary having an LS this morning. Her schedule on her live stream is 7 to 12 in the afternoon. Before I'm gonna start, Rosemary is having an LS Nolan. He's keep on singing on her live stream, English music. Yeah, he has a very nice voice. Oh no, good listening opening. Open times the one who sing great. Wala ng bagyo, wala na. No more typhoon here in the Visayas. Good weather we have now. Go connect everybody. Go to channel and connect. Thank you, Brother Denny, for standby for my live stream. Thank you so much, Brother Denny. You're so nice. You're so thoughtful, brother of Indonesia. Yeah, thank you for supporting me. And also, people out there, thank you for always making my live stream alive because of you guys. And Nolan too. I'm just good listener. Hi. I can sing good when no one else hear me. Hi, Uncle Lolo David. Lolo David Bridge is here.
Nanguha, Mick. Kuan papaya.
Pagliwan ng santo kay init. Ay, magpupulit. Bawal na. Yeah, connect everybody. As I'm go to Uncle David of Australia. All right. He is not active for YouTube, but he's support only. He's supporting me only. Every time I'm having an LS, he's there. I'll sing now. Really? Oh. You can sing when you're having live stream, and we can go to your live stream and watching you. What is your schedule for your live stream, Brother Nolan Ranger? Yes, no mic and no one here. I want to watch your while you're singing. No live stream. You can, so that we can watch you and live stream. I'm gonna support you, our three sisters, Rosemary, Tina, Australia, and I, myself, and I. I want to watch you while singing live stream. Let's visit my live and I will sing to you. Yes. Visit Rosemary's live stream on every day also. 7 in the morning until 12 noon Philippine time. Yeah, Philippine time. Yes, let's watch Rosemary. Yes, tomorrow you visit her. Let's give me your Gcash number to Lourdes. Yeah, I really, really love. Ano ba? Type ko na lang. Okay, this is my Gcash, guys. If you want to support me, nanawag. Di pinansin PM ko, no eh. Napunta sa Gcash. Please visit my live and I will sing to you from Rosemary to Nolan Ranger. Yes, let's watch Rosemary. Let's give me your Gcash number. Haha, ayan na pinansin PM ko no eh. Eh kasi nabasa ko yung Gcash eh. Type mo din bro. Burahon mo pag nakuha ko na. Ay, ganun ba yon? Ah, sige, sige. 09, i-dictate ko na lang. 0918 44. Again. 0918 44 00 385. Yeah. Those who want to donate or sponsor, this is my Gcash number. I'm gonna type 918 44 003 85. Yan. And account name, Lourdes Arcamo. O, ayan. Kasi ikaw eh. Inumpisahan mo. Alright. That's it. Lourdes Arcamo. 091844 0918. Ay, mali. Sister, mali. Wait. Wrong. Na-excite ang bro. Again. Wag type mo. Ay, okay. Wag type mo. Ay, i-type ko? Wag type mo. Ah, sige. I-type ko na lang. Gcash. This is... Gcash number. 091844 And then that's my ayaw on air. Oy. Aw. Ano ba? Sige. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's it. Those who want to give a sponsor, that's my Gcash number. Thank you, Daniel. Sorry, guys. Ayan, thank you, Daniel. Thank you, sister. Oh my God. So happy. hindi ko na ano, na-busy ako, na ano ako, na-overwhelmed. Pero okay na lang tayo, baka ma-CPR tayo. Sorry Nolan ha, because if not karaoke one, I think I cannot edit. YouTube is very strict for that CPR copyright music. Lumang kanta. Never been too much look into the eyes. You said that you'll never told me more. Each night when the time you whispered in my ear, you said I remember. Just another one. That to be when you do. Never saying that you leave me. I was hurt. What is it to forget yesterday? I couldn't stay so far away. I'm so proud this time I'm gone. have new video upload, Danny, so that I can watch. And love, you say you control. Hello! Mega mega love shout out. Run this Philippines retirement. Alright. Good afternoon, brother. I'm so glad I'm still with you. I'm so prepared to face this. Learning from you. Not on you. Not on you. Beside you. Can be with you tonight. Since she wants to go, I'll just keep on dreaming. Alright, thank you everybody, my sisters. Pwede ko mag-edit na to video ha. Oo, sige. Okay lang. Go. Wala pa namang out na yung the rest. Thanks. Yeah, I'm just playing the videos of Danny. This one I'm gonna play again.
Choose NanKid OptiPro with nutrients proven by over 20 clinical trials.
Now you're texting.
Sige, ba't di alam? Never been too much looking. Ay, sorry, napindot ko. Where is it? When you see nothing at all. We love the way you say. Alright, Benny, I'm just watching again your video for another WH for today. Hindi ko alam how to sing that one. Yeah, another watching, Benny, for your video. While you are listening, yes. Somehow, looking for the reasons things must change. I have my life trying to make it stay the same. You feel it today. It will pass you, always do. It comes and goes. If you still, just tell me you love me again. Sorry, guys. Danny, I'm watching you for additional WH while you are watching and listening to me. Just tell me you love me, England, then and just for so many times I wish you here through the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you here through the darkness. I'm here. Yeah, hello. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words are so cute. Isa man. Wow, senador. Wow, dami ah. All right, I love it. Love, senador. Dami, parang CCTV lang yun ah. All right. Thank you, senador. Ang dami nun ah. Parang CCTV lang buong bahay. If you tell me you love me, it would lead away to the mirrors of silence. You love me. While I'm waiting, kaya wala lang, pa-music lang. Hindi, marunong kantahin eh. Thank you! Kabidji dyan, senador. Ano oras yung ano mo? Pa-entry. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. All right, thank you very much for the video, for the standby there. Thank you mga loved ones.
Going creamy at milk.
Yan, Denny Conecto, Felix C. Medrano. Is also good, is also kind like you. And he will do connect back to you also. Di ba karaoke? Each passing day, you came so far, don't it away. Leave me, ay, kadali lagi ka na namata. Ako, nangihir ka to siya, oy. Ito natog. Sa'yo pa binasya na ko, LS. Ano sa na ni? Tanging alay ko. Kabuang tanig pangitag. I know our dreams will never die. Only me and you. See us, only me and you. Murag manok ma. Wrong line. Only me and you. For you. OMG. OMG. Just had a dream that you are far away, and someone else was in your arms today. Did I know it's just a dream? Still my fear is so extreme. I'm still watching Daily. And I told myself I always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I would take the blame. You're all I'm living for. Hindi naman na lang yung tono eh. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have you. Because of what I want you. Still watching. Because if you remember. Ay, pwede na lang tayo sa playlist mo, Denny. Is 5. This one. 5. And then 5 videos I'm gonna play with you. Then after that, another 5 to other playlist. Okay? I'll say the same. Heaven, I won't take the breath. Kaya mo to kantahin. You're all I'm leaving. Hi, Sir Philip. Thumbs up doon. Magandang boss at gwapong boss too. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Boss Philip. Mega love shoutout everyone. Sister Rose, Philip is here. I have you. Ang taas pala ng pa-member sa'yo, Sir Philip. 125. Imagine. Pag-ipunan ko, magpapamember ako. Love premiere. Alright, anong oras yung premiere mo? Yan, Sister Rose, anong oras ba to? 3 p.m. Anong oras na ba? Oh my God. Anong oras yung ano mo premiere, Boss Philip? Musta host? Same as usual pa rin. Okay. Ano oras yung ano mo? I am here too, Rosemary. Ayan. Premiere ko, boss ni Rosemary, 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then sa'yo, ano oras ito? 7 p.m. pa? Okay, after Rosemary. Okay, notify. Inside my door. I am here too, mine, 3 p.m. Ang boss naman ay November 4 pa pala. Okay, later. So, para ano. Ako naman November 1, tomorrow. I just want to remember. Alright, o sige, hintayin natin mag 3 o'clock and then punta tayo for your premiere, Sister Rosemary. And then after that, i-hang natin yung kay Philip para matamsakan. It's 2:25 o'clock. 2:25. Alright. Yeah, Denny, are you still there, Denny? I love you, goodbye. Oh my God. Mahal ko, mahal ah. Mahal ko, mahal
Getting
ako.
older
Gosh.
doesn't mean getting weaker.
Okay, 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, ihang kita.
For stronger.
Ay, tika lang. Ihang muna natin. Palablab muna, guys. And then, ibabalik natin yan after. Ayan, premiere. Palablab, guys. Denny, please do connect to Philip. It's also good. Denny is from Indonesia, Boss Philip. I love you, goodbye. By Nina. Salang-salang lang, hindi alam. Say that you love me. That's the way it is. Go on. The one who could give you love. Saka, love you. Wish I could say to you. That's so willing to give and so to you. Kiss me forever. Because that's something. And I say to you. May worse. No, just touch you. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. Ano ba yan? I love you tapos goodbye. Ano nga lang yan, eh? Tinagmasdan ang iyong ganda at hindi na rin pinansin pa. Bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Galing! I love you na. Goodbye. Umibig sa'yo. Pasintabi dun sa mga English people there. Sa puso ko ay ang ayo'y waring gulo-gulo. Buti ang doko ni Haman ako. Ang sarap isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka. Sa Pinay nagpabalisa. Dahil sa ang puso ko, araw umibig sa'yo. Hanggang kailan magtitiis. Wag na mag-I love you. Yung true. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin ay hirap pigilin. Ngayon nawain ang puso sa'yo'y ibalik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Kasi nito lahat ng sabi ko panibig-big alam kawawa naman sa sana. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko di ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang ay hirap pigilin. Sana yun nawain ang puso sa'yo'y balik. na iniibig kita. Parang kulang cellphone ko. Gusto malaman mo na iniibig kita. Yan, Denny, are you still there? Ano din commented to your photo. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung ano, yung lubat na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Teka lang, ihi mo na ako, guys. Wait a minute, kapring mainit. Wait. Nakamute, my goodness. Ito na, may friend ka dyan lang ha. Ay! Thumbs up. Asan yung premiere mo nga? Baka makalimutan ko tanggalin eh. 3 o'clock. Biglang marinig Please tumawag ka kung may load ka. Alam mo ba na mahal kita? May nag-feedback, sumay-sumay. Open ang isang cellphone. Sige, frame dyan ka lang. Ha? Madalas mo akong tawagan, madalas mo akong i-text kahit saan. Iyo'y hindi na alam, miss na miss kita. Kinokontak ngunit lobat ka galit. Lobat na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Nakaload ka ba? Ako sa puso, isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka? La la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Okay, pigi-pigi. La la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Hello, la 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 la. Lobat na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Nakaload pa ba? Ako sa puso mismo, may signal pa ba? Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Lobat na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Nakaload pa ba? Ako sa isip mo, may signal pa ba? Ako sa puso mo. Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Hello, my love, kumusta ka? Alright. Asan na ba yung isa? Imelda Papin. Ano ba yung kanta na yan? My love will see you through just once. I can let go. Ano ba itong Imelda na? Ibigin kita, marami ang nagtagal. May nagsabi na bulag raw ang aking mata. Sagot ko, hindi bali na ulan. Paglamang magsaksong ibigin kita, marami ang naibig. Ilang po may love. Nawa na ang converse mo dyan. Naka-standby lang daw siya. Salanan bang umibig na walang hanggan? Kasalanan bang umibig ng buong tapat? Kung ibigin ay kasalanan, kaya ko na gusto. Sa pagkakamali, ayaw kong marami nag-text ah. Ha? Bakit doon sa may nag-message? Yung kay ano nga, yung 200? Kawang dahilan ang kanyang paglayo. labis kong dinamdam, pag-ibig ko'y di ko. Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Touch and turn. Ha? Oh. Wala man yan. Ano? Uy, ang 200 ni Max, ha? Itabi mo, kukunin niya yun. After ng assembly. Ito sa? Kasi unawatan. Si Felix sa Sibuyan, si Ana, saan Ana lang. Nag-iraid mi day ba? Nag-post ko sa Facebook. Yan, maraming nag-ano. Susumigaw ang aking damdamin. Ang pagluho. Nilatik, ayan, nagagawan sila kay wala na. Tapos marami pa nag-message. Ay, nagpa-reserve ng 250. Sige, opium yata. Siguro. DJ, paano sa bag ni Papapyo? Through the years, ala-ala ikaw. Kasalanan ayoko gusto. Make it with you tonight. Masakali ko ilalayo. Alin bang umibig na wala? It's so wrong here. Kahit sandali. Can't be with you tonight. Nothing gonna stop us now. Wala akong mahanap kasi hindi ko naman katanong kasi alam kumantay. There's a look in your eyes, must be love at first sight. You were the spark of a dream, nothing more. Love but not so longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. The every time I close my eyes, you become alive. Swear I get to touching you, closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. So much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more to see. I guess I found an inspiration. Just a smile to take my breath away. So hold me close, say Closer I get to touching you, closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. La la la, twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it time, just a little time. Oh, wait, wait, you and I. Hinira niya yung cellphone niya. All right. Yan, gawa-gawa ka lang dyan, teacher. Ay, teacher, sister, iwanan mo lang. Love, can't you see I'm alone? Can't you give this fool a chance? A little love is all I ask. A little kindness in the night. Please don't leave me behind. I wouldn't tell the love is blind. A little love. Ayan. Kaya nini mo ba? Oh, I've been searching so long. I've been searching high and low. A little love is all I ask. A little kindness when you go. Only a friend. Only please let pretend. A little love is all I ask. And that is all. I wanna spread my wings. Ang title niya na Ocean Deep. A string of pearls, pretty girls, are sailing by. Ocean deep, so afraid to show my feelings. I have sailed a million seas. Solitary ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? Maybe she has found another. Myself to sleep. I know this love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep. Maganda yung araw